Hi everyone, today I am going to eat my food and show you how I eat my food. So if you would like, go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe because my family is awesome and you know you like watching us. This shirt is just so itchy. Okay, eating time. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yum. Yum 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 yum. Oh, so good. Oh, you're so good. You're just so good. It's a little sloppy today. Okay. So the other day I was walking down the street and there was another dog and I sniffed his butt. He was a pretty healthy guy. And so everyone, bye and thank you so much for watching me eat. It was really good. I'm still trying to look for these kernels down here. And again, thank you so much and like us and subscribe to our channel. Okay, bye!